Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix voicemail not working on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search voicemail. And here showing you voicemail. So click on voicemail and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset network settings. After click on reset network settings, enter your phone pin, click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix voicemail not working on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.